Hi there, students. Congenial, an adjective. Congenially, an adverb. Congeniality, the noun for the quality. So, if you describe a person as congenial, you're saying they're very friendly, very sociable. The work was quite congenial. Here it means suitable to your needs. It fitted you very nicely. Okay, so a congenial person's a friendly person. Yeah, the people at the party were very congenial. The congeniality of the host made everything very pleasant. Okay, you also use this word congenial to say that something is pleasant because it fits you very well, or a person is congenial because you have similar tastes, you're very like-minded, you have a similar temperament, similar habits. But I think most commonly congenial, friendly and pleasant. Yeah, so we had a picnic in very congenial surroundings, very pleasant surroundings. I spent a very relaxed, congenial evening with my friends. Yeah, they were very congenial people. The whole atmosphere gave me a feeling of comfort, of satisfaction, of relaxation. And this is the idea of congenial. Yeah. Okay, so um, unfortunately, my boss is not a very congenial person. Yeah, he's not very pleasant. He's not very agreeable. It's not very pleasurable to be with him. It's nice to do things in congenial surroundings, in a congenial environment. Okay, yeah, to be in congenial company is a very pleasant thing to be. Yeah, such a congenial atmosphere. Yeah, if somebody is sympathetic and they have a similar disposition, if they're very compatible with you, he's a very congenial person. Congenial work, suitable to your needs. Yeah, I get on well with these people. I find them very congenial. Yeah, they're very I was going to say complacent, but I'm not sure I'm so happy with complacent. It's a completely different meaning. Okay, so congenial. Yeah, it's a very congenial place to live. It's a very congenial city. So formality. It sounds a little bit literary, but not very much. I think congeniality, I'd probably give it a 6 in formality. I think in an informal conversation, I'd use friendly or something like that. Friendly, suitable, pleasant. Yeah, so maybe better for a semi-formal conversation, a semi-formal or a formal writing. Okay, so congenial. Yeah, a very congenial atmosphere. Pleasant, kindly, pleasing, agreeable, cordial, sociable, affable, yeah, companionable. Okay, so the food was very good, and the company or the people were very congenial. They were very compatible with the type of people I like. So I find him very congenial. Um, yes, the area was very congenial for fishing. Yeah, most of the people in that area were not very congenial. Yeah, I'm going to have to find a better job if the my workmates are not very congenial. Okay, so I've done the formality. What about the um, etymology? Okay, so it comes from congenial. Yeah, con with and genial from Latin genialis. Uh, Belonging to marriage, festive, genial, something like that. So yeah, um, with festivity. Yeah, so with happiness, and this is the idea of congenial. So I think that's probably enough. Yeah, I have a feeling the people who watch my channel are a very congenial lot. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Congenial.